Steve. Lots of stuff. Why, hello everyone. Happy Halloween, I guess. And, you know, you probably can barely hear me, or maybe you can't, who knows in advance, but we're just gonna take this off. Unintentional face reveal, I guess. Don't attack me like y'all did Dream. But, yeah. Hello. It's me, Retro. And, Halloween video. I guess this is what this is supposed to be. A Halloween video. I mean, I'm dressed up as a serial killer. That's just great. But whatever. Besides that, and I'm rocking one glove right now because I lost the other one. I don't know where it is, but whatever. But yeah, I just wanted to make this video just saying Happy Halloween because I tried to make a Halloween animation. Kind of failed. I mean, I could show you the unfinished version. I mean, I'm still gonna release it. It's just that it's not gonna be today or Halloween time. What time even is it? Is it 12 o'clock yet? Because I'm pretty sure I'm super late, of course. But you know, better late than never. Okay, yeah. I mean, I was late to Valentine's Day. But technically I wasn't because I posted the video on Instagram first, and just shameless plug, you'll follow my Instagram so that you can see the full outfit I was wearing, whatever. So yeah, this is basically just makeup for the Halloween video because I never got a chance to really get it out because I'm working on Nemesis Prime Chapter 2. Which should be posted this month. I'm working very hard on it. I'm not gonna show anything related to it. Because no spoilers, you know? No spoilers, you know? You may want a teaser, but you don't want a spoiler. So yeah, just stay tuned for anything like a trailer or whatever coming up at some point. I haven't really edited that much of it yet. And I haven't even finished filming it, but you know, it'll get out when it gets out. I'm just trying to get it out before December, because at least it's still the fall season. It's still the fall season. You know, people may have forgotten about Thanksgiving, but whatever. So, you know, I'm already seeing holiday commercials, and October kind of just ended. That's crazy. That's crazy. But yeah, basically just wanted to say Happy Halloween. And, little update too, just yeah. And Pokemon videos, they're coming soon. I filmed I filmed like 3 extra episodes, and I just haven't gotten a chance to edit them because this month has been chaotic and I've been so busy with school and stuff, so trying to get videos out is kind of difficult, but I mean I'm trying. Yeah. So basically, that's really what I came here to say. Happy Halloween, and just talking about random crap going on and what should be coming up, I guess. Yeah. Hope you all had a nice Halloween. I mean, I got some Halloween candy I can show you. You know, I haven't eaten a Snickers in like maybe about, Lord God, maybe 8 years? I don't know. I haven't eaten, have I even eaten one before? Maybe I haven't. Who knows? I'm not a Snickers guy, but I'm going to try one on camera right now. Let's go do that. So, here I have a Snickers. Nice Snickers bar. And, kind of skeptical about eating this because, you know, unlike lots of people, I don't want to have nuts in my mouth. Yeah. Whatever. Let me shut up. I mean, it's nothing different from eating the Milky Way. Alright, let's eat this. I'm acting like this is the one chick challenge. Just eat the damn thing. Mm-mm. 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 No. Too crunchy, not doing it for me. Nah. Tastes like I'm eating peanut butter. I mean, peanut butter's not bad, but nah. Not doing it for me. I need some water or something. Yeah. Nope. I'm sticking to Three Musketeers and Milky Way. Sorry.
3 seconds on the clock. I'm playing basketball. It's time for an in-your-face disgrace. Are you okay? My nose is in my brain. Let me see. Oh my God. What? You're a dork.
So I just ate a Twix bar to get the taste out of my mouth, and I actually kind of, my phone ran out of storage for a second, which is why it cut so abruptly. But whatever. Yeah, I'm just gonna say the conclusion now because there's not really much for me to say other than that. Just stay tuned for new stuff, and if I've said this a million times, I don't care. Happy Halloween. Happy freaking ween. I don't watch horror movies. But I like horror. Well, that's weird. It's weird. I like horror, but I don't watch horror movies because I just can't handle horror. I mean, to a certain extent. I mean, I try to make my videos somewhat... Whatever. When it comes to humans, it's a problem. And if I look down here, that's because this is on my computer too, so I can see through here. I can look over here. I'm looking, but it doesn't look like I'm looking at y'all. I'm just rambling at this point, like... Oh, this is funny. But yeah, that's all I really wanted to say. Happy Halloween. Let's end this already. Snickers are disgusting. Snickers are disgusting. Prince and Nemesis, y'all can keep saying I suck. Y'all can keep saying I am a terrible person because I don't like cheeseburgers. I like burgers, and I don't like milk. I only like chocolate milk, and I only like Three Musketeers and Milky Way. I don't like Snickers. They suck. They're disgusting. You can say Three Musketeers are boring all you want, but I will eat them. I will. Let me get out of here before I literally start a war. Before y'all burn me at the stake. Goodbye, everyone. I don't know why I keep saying this, but whatever. Stay retroactive, even though I'm pretty sure I don't know what that even means.
Huzzah!
I should know that, whatever. I'm just thinking of random stuff off the top of my head at this point. But yeah, goodbye everyone. Till all are one. I don't even say that as JJ's things. I'm out.